What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk to you about points versus cash back. This is a topic that I wanted to cover in a very brief fashion. I'm not going to do anything lengthy. I really wanted to talk about the standard points versus cash back because I did receive a comment on my TikTok. If you want to check out my new TikTok that I created, I'm talking about credit cards and I'm talking about investing, personal finance, things like that. So go ahead and check out that TikTok. But I received a comment saying that people that say that cash back is better than points. And then he had a bunch of clown emojis saying that you're a clown if you think that cash back is better than points. Well, it all depends what type of person you are. There are some people out there where points will benefit you a lot more than cash back. And there's some people out there that cash back benefits their situation a little bit more. So it depends who you are. But we'll get into this in a little bit. Before I start, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below, whether it's my TikTok or my Instagram or my store, Webull, all of those. Check out some of those links. It supports the channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. So the reason why I wanted to create this video was because the discussion, points versus cash back. Why would people even want cash back? Well, there's a number of opportunities out there, a number of situations that people get into, and they feel like they just want straight cash versus getting points and going through the whole redeemable process. Yeah, points can be more valuable when it comes to overall spending, when it comes to putting your money in the best place possible. Yeah, it could be more valuable. But cashback could be valuable to some people depending on how they want to see their money being spent, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and take some time to break this down a little bit. So points, basically you're gonna get a higher redemption value with these points. So for instance, MR points, right? You get American Express membership rewards points, and you get 1 point, which could be valued at 1 cent, or it could be valued at 2 cents, or it could be valued in between, depending on where you transfer that to. So a lot of times you can transfer it to an airline and get 2 cents per point. You can use it and redeem it for travel, booked through Amex Travel, hotels, and all types of stuff like that, where you can get 1 cent per point. You can also redeem it on Amazon where you get 0.8 cents per point. So you can have a varying redeemable value to these points, which means that you get more value than what you would do with a standard cash back. With Ultimate Rewards points, you can use them in so many different places and get 1.5 cents per point if you use it through the Ultimate Rewards portal. So there's a lot of benefits there when it comes to points in different portals that you use them in. This is why people say that you get so much value in points and you don't get a lot of value in cash back. Now with cash back, on the other hand, that's just straight up cash. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's going to be 1 cent per point, and that's how it's going to be because you're not getting any points. It's strictly to that cash. So instead of getting points, you're getting 1 cent per dollar that you spend. So you're getting 1% or you're getting 6 cents per dollar that you spend, depending on what percentage back you get. Now, this could go into your bank account or it could go straight to your statement, depending on what card you're using. Some cards allow you to go directly to your bank account and, deposit in there. Some cards just tell you to do statement credits. But what's the benefit of these two? What makes points better than cashback and what makes cashback better than points? And like I said in the beginning, it's all about your situation. It's all about where you spend money the most and how you want to see that money being spent when it comes to the cashback. So the points, right? A lot of people will put it towards their different travel related purchases and all types of things like that. Mainly points are for the traveler, for the person that wants to spend outside of their bank account. They want to get the most out of using that credit card, which is definitely something that you can use. And a lot of people do it. I do it. A bunch of people that are on YouTube do it. But then you have cash back, which, like I said, is straight up cash. Most people in this world prefer cashback over points. The reason is because they're seeing the physical money that's being, saved. So if they have $1,000 in bills and they have $100 in cash back, they basically saved 10% throughout that month. So they're seeing all the money that's being saved and it makes them feel a lot better about their situation. So that's why I always say that cashback could be better than points in certain situations. But I like both. This is why I talk about the Amex Blue Cash Preferred Card giving you a $300 cash back bonus. That's straight cash that's going to your statement. But then you also have the Amex Gold Card, which will give you 60,000 membership rewards points, which can be valued up from $600 all the way up to $1,200. So both of them give you value. And it depends on your situation. It all depends. But let me know what you think about cashback, about points in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below, different referral links for different credit cards, and my Instagram. Also, take some time to check out my new TikTok that I created. I feel like that account is going to be great. I can't wait to continue to make videos on there. They're short. It's going to be 1-minute videos, and it should be good. But that's my video. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.